I put coffee on bath soap and never had problems with insects again. For today's tip, we will need a bath soap. And we'll grate him on the thickest side of a grater. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Robin Harrison, from Australia. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After that, we'll transfer to a bowl. And let's add a tablespoon of coffee. Also, we will need softener. And let's add a tablespoon to the mixture. Being the main item to ward off flies and mosquitoes using this tip. Then we'll need vinegar. And let's add 2 tablespoons. They are fully responsible for aiding in the aroma of your home. And we mix the ingredients very well. This makes your home smell good, without flies, mosquitoes, and you still save a lot. And we'll separate for later. Now, we're gonna need a little aluminum foil. And we will add 2 tablespoons of the mixture in the middle of it. After that, we will wrap and then shape the tip in the shape of a ball. And let's redo that the number of times you want. I'm sure you'll thank me after using this tip. Tell me later what you think of this tip. I hope it has the same result that I had in my house. I'm sure that after using this tip will no longer be bothered by insects in your home. I'm sure your whole family will thank you. The smell that exudes through your home will be very pleasant and is what will keep the insects away. The ideal is to use this mixture in places that we most have problems with insects. Your family will thank you very much for making this tip. After that, we'll take the balls of aluminum foil and drill holes in them with a toothpick. I'm sure you'll thank me after this video. Be sure to do it at home, and comment if you know any tips, so I can do and teach others. The coffee is the main item for this tip. And so, today's tip is ready. We recommend placing near Gordado's kitchen ingredients that bring more problems with insects. But we can also put in other places that are having this problem. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it, and tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.